Hello, crypto world. Another remarkable day in markets. Stock market just opened up. Dow opened up 200 points. You know what happened on the trade front? On Truth Social, Trump posted that a deal was made with Japan. So the tariff issues with Japan appear, and I put that in quotes, to be behind us, and that's a very positive thing. And the equity market has rallied, but not radically, but it has rallied as we put aside the issue of a Japan issue with tariffs. And remarkably and interestingly, Goldman Sachs and Bank of New York are attempting now to transform the $7.1 trillion, that's right, trillion-dollar money market fund by creating a tokenization of money markets. And this project has already signed up BlackRock and Fidelity. This is a revolutionary change in the main financial system, and it's tokenization of money markets. Now remember that the difference between a money market and a stablecoin is self-evident. A money market can pay interest, a stablecoin can't under present rules. Therefore, you can anticipate that stablecoins will in effect have competition from tokenized money markets. Now, I want to jump over to crypto. As you notice, we're kind of backing off, nothing serious, but there's something going on that I want to talk about quickly. Number one, all are waiting to see what happens with altcoins. Some saying alt season's beginning, some saying it's not. But I want to make a point now about the cryptos that go from Ethereum down in market cap and are names we recognize. There is something remarkable about the similarity of the charts of all of those. Now take a look at this chart. Basically you have all-time highs over here, the back off, and then we're heading back up. This chart is more or less, not exactly, but more or less, putting aside XRP, what's going on with the, I'm going to call them large cap altcoins. They are attempting to go back to their all-time highs. Why do I mention this? I mention this because if you have bought all the altcoins that we're all familiar with, and they probably have a very similar pattern, you have to think now when they go closer to their all-time high, perhaps it's time to take some money off the table, because we know that in crypto land very often there's resistance at the all-time high and there's a back off, and there's no guarantee that all of these coins are going to break through and make significantly larger all-time highs. So just something to think about, since we know that the patterns are all the same, that when they get to their all-time highs, would it make sense for you particularly to take some profit off the table on the simple notion that maybe resistance will be a top for some significant period of time? I'm not saying this is identical, this is not identical, but notice what happened to XRP. It's had a fantastic run. It went up, made its all-time high, very strong, but notice the way it's backing off. Just some thoughts as we start this Wednesday with good news about one tariff situation, but while it's helped the equity market, it's not really doing much for the crypto world so far.